Hey, what's up? Thanks for checking out my video doing some jerky review. One of my favorite types of review videos is different types of jerky and snacks like this. And yes, zero carbohydrate on that too, so that is definitely keto friendly. I'm doing this review from Bradenton Beach here in Southwest Florida. Another really beautiful beach. I've been actually road tripping across Southwest Florida this week, working in my main job and stopping by all the different state and city parks, which so far have all been free parking, by the way, except for one, and it was still a pretty good deal of just $4. So it's just one of the great things about Florida, lots of free parks and beautiful facilities and everything like that. But anyway, we're here to talk about peppered turkey jerky from Buc-ee's. If you don't know what Buc-ee's is, you're just missing out. It is one of the most awesome gas station concepts you've ever seen. They're really spreading around. Actually, they're about to open their first one out of the south into Colorado, of all places. So it's pretty interesting. But Buc-ee's from Texas, but they're in different parts across the south, a couple in Florida, one in South Carolina now too. Huge gas station, lots of jerky and brisket and things like that. I mean, they have a huge jerky bar. So I am not typically a big fan of these types of non-beef jerkies. I mean, or just red meat rather. You know, elk, all that stuff's pretty much the same to me, buffalo or whatever. When it comes to chicken jerky or turkey jerky, it's just usually weird, you know? But Buc-ee's is such a high quality place. They've got it in a bag like this too, but they also have it kind of behind the counter where you can just get it by the pound. And everything else they do is super high quality. So although I've not been a fan of other mass production versions of this type of stuff, I'm excited about this. Now you can tell these are real pieces of meat, not shredded up and then repressed into some form meat. So that's a good start, right? Anyway, let's try this out. And again, I will apologize up front for my horrible mouth noises. Good texture, a little dry. Again, sorry for those mouth noises, but it's pretty good. It's not too peppery, very mild, but decent flavor. It could be a little hotter if you ask me. I can't remember what I paid for this bag. 4 ounces. I think it was maybe like, I don't know. Maybe it was like 10 bucks. It wasn't much more than the beef or anything like that. It's about the same price. You can just tell this is quality. The meat is quality. It's good, whole, real dried meat. So it's not some pressed up weird combo. So it's pretty good in that aspect. A lot of these other kind of things with turkey and chicken and jerky, they're just, who knows, like that mechanically separated chicken like you see on a Slim Jim wrapper. This is just more legit, more real. You can tell the quality's good. As far as the jerky, it's a little on the dry side, but it's fine. The flavor's just mild, but still decent. Am I going to finish the bag? Hell yeah. Would I buy it again? I would. In fact, I think this dipped just into some straight sriracha on the side would be awesome. Or even like if you drizzled like some sriracha in this, or even were to take this and like toss it in some other kind of sauce and maybe finish it off under a broiler or something like that as an interesting snack. I don't know. I can do a couple different things, but it's pretty good and I would buy it again, and I can easily recommend it, and I can easily give it a thumbs up. So give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you like these kind of things. Most importantly, have a wonderful day. I'm going to get back to my road trip.